Good morning. So we'll start. All are joined? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, thanks. Okay. So today will be the last lecture in Fourier series. So Fourier series will get over today, and there will be a test tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So be prepared for the MCQ test on Fourier series. And before we start, I forgot to tell you one thing. Okay, whenever we write the Fourier series on any interval, okay? So where we write f of x is equal to a naught plus summation something, something, something. This a naught is called constant term of the Fourier series. So please note. So in MCQ, there is a word constant term in the Fourier series. What is the constant term? So what you are going to find is a naught, right? So a naught is called the constant term in the Fourier series. Please note. Okay, so in last lecture, we were seeing half range, right? In half range in which interval?
0 to L.
Right. So we have seen some examples. Now we'll see a few more examples and then your unit will be over. So write the question, find half range. Was the homework given? Half range sine series. Have you tried for the homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it done? Is there any problem?
No, ma'am.
Good. Sure. So write the question. Find half range sine series for f of x is x square in 0 to 1. Was that the homework? No, I guess no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that was the homework itself.
Yes.
What was the answer then? Or tell me the answer if you are done. What is your?
Ma'am, it's not.
That was not there, right? So I think there was something different question for homework. X was there, I think. Okay, so we'll solve this. Given interval is
0 to 1.
right.
One.
So 0 to 1. And as interval we have seen, we'll see the words which series we are going to find. Is it Fourier? Is it half range or is it what? So what is it here?
Half range.
Half range, correct. And half range are compared with
0 to L.
0 to L. Perfect. So L is here
1.
1. Very good. So L is 1, right? And now at 0 to L, it is half range. Half range which but?
Sine.
Right.
Sine.
Half range Fourier sine series we have to find. So which is f of x. And the half range Fourier sine is exactly similar to
Or function in minus
perfect.
L2.
Right. And our function will have what in each series? A not A and Bn?
Bn.
Only Bn, correct. So what is that series?
Summation of n.
Summation Bn.
B. Sine n pi x by L.
Right. So whenever angle is having L in it, number in it, the angle, interval is having L in it, the angle is n pi x by L. And where? We have to find Bn. What is Bn?
2 by L.
Upon L.
Right.
0
2
to
by
L.
L, the modified ones, right? 2 by L. Integration
0 to L.
0 to L. F of x into?
Sine n pi x upon L.
Correct. Sine n pi x by L dx. Right. So we have to find the integration. 0 to L. L is 1. So you can go with that L is 1. 0 to L is 0 to 1. And in 0 to 1, function is x square. Put all the values. But L is 1. So therefore, Bn is 2 by L. 0 to L. F of x into sine n pi x by L. L is 1 dx. Now we are going to find this integration. Integration of two terms in multiplication. How will you solve the integration?
By
Very good. Leibniz rule. How do we apply? What is U? What is V?
x square is u.
Right. Right. U is x square. This is V. And why this is U?
It is
Right.
0 plus 7.
Right. Its derivative is getting 0. Perfect. So it is U into V1. What is V1?
Minus cos n pi x upon
Right. Integration of sine is minus cos n pi x upon n pi.
n.
Right. Minus derivative of this
2x.
2x into integration of this
Minus sin.
minus of
Minus sin.
sine n pi x.
N
Right.
pi.
Derivative of integration of cos is sine itself minus sine carries. So n pi upon n pi 1 n pi already. So it is n square pi
Pi square
plus minus plus
plus
derivative
2.
2 integration.
Cos n
Right.
pi x upon
Integration of sine is minus cos, minus minus becomes plus cos n pi x upon
N cube pi cube.
right
Pi cube.
n cube pi cube. This is from 0 to 1.
1.
Right. So chalo, we'll put the upper limit. Upper limit is 1. So if it is 1, cos n pi has some value, right? So we put it as 1. Negative sign as it is. 1 square is 1 into cos n pi x is 1 upon n pi. If x is 1 here,
0.
right, sine n pi and sine n pi is 0, 0 into anything is 0. If it is 1 here, it remains. So plus 2 cos n pi upon n cube pi cube. Upper limit minus now lower limit x is 0. So what is this term? Right.
0.
So 0 into anything, 0. What about this?
0.
0.
0.
And this will be there plus 2 cos 0,
0.
right, upon n cube pi cube. Done. So it is 2, whatever is remained, we'll write that minus of cos n pi is
Minus 1 raised.
right, minus 1 raised to n upon n pi plus again 2 into minus 1 raised to n again upon n cube pi cube. Minus plus is minus 2 cos 0 is 1 upon n cube pi cube. It's okay. This is your Bn. Done. No need to simplify further. Okay. And put it in equation number 1 then. And 1 becomes f of x is equal to, what is f of x? X square.
X square.
Right. Is equal to summation Bn. Write this Bn 2 into Bn into
Sin n
sine,
pi.
right, n pi x by L, L is 1, is the required Fourier series. Not the Fourier series. What is that?
Half range Fourier.
Right. This is the required half range Fourier sine
Sin
series.
series.
Right. Done. Sure. We'll go to the next question. No doubts, nothing. You can ask if you have, okay? Sure. We'll see the next one. Obtain, write the question. Obtain half range cosine series for f of x is equal to 1 in 0 to 1 and x in 1 to 2. This is the question. We have to just find the half range series. Write the question properly. And if done, tell me the given interval.
0 to 2.
Right.
0 to
Right. The function is defined from 0 to 2 with the discontinuity at 1. So the given interval is 0 to 2. And you will compare it with
0 to L.
0 to L or 0 to 2L.
0 to 12.
0 to L.
0
2L.
to L or 2L.
L.
Why
L.
L? Why L?
Cosine
Half
series.
Half
range.
range, right? It is given half range, so it is compared with 0 to L. Right, so we get L is
2.
2.
2.
Right, correct. L is 2. And now, as it is half range, so which half range is important? Half range Fourier?
Cosine.
Cosine.
Read that word. It is cosine series. So half range Fourier cosine series. Tell me the series.
A naught plus
A
Right.
naught plus
A naught plus summation
AN cos
AM
N.
cos N. Pi
n
x
pi
upon L.
x by L plus Bn. What?
BN is 0.
Right. So as it is cosine, cosine deals with an, and when an is there, cosine deals with an, cosine and an are together, and whenever an comes, a naught also. Okay. Okay, chal. So where we have to define two things, a naught and an. What is a naught?
1
One
upon L integration.
1 by L.
Okay, is it L or 2L?
L.
L
L.
modified, right? 1 upon L,
0 to L f of x dx.
correct. And an is
2 upon L 0 to L
L,
of x cos N pi x upon L dx.
correct. Okay, these two terms we need to find. Go with a naught first. So what is L here? But L is 2. So write that. L is 2. So a naught is 1 upon L, 0 to L, f of x dx. What is happening with that 0 to 2?
Discontinuities.
Right, it get breaks 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. So integration also breaks at 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. In 0 to 1, function is 1, and in 1 to 2, it is x. So I'll just separate the integration, break the integration 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. In 0 to 1, it is 1,
1
and in 1 to 2, it is
x.
x dx. Correct. So all this will get the answer. Integration, these two are separate. 1 dx,
X.
x, right. And this is from 0 to 1. Plus integration x is
X
X
square by
2.
x square by 2. And this is from 1 to 2. Okay, so it is 1/2. This is separate, this is separate. Put here 1, upper limit minus 0, lower limit. Done. Plus here 2 is the upper limit. So 2 square by 2 minus 1 square by 2. Okay. So that is 1/2 into 1 plus 2 square 4 by 2 is 2 plus minus minus 1 by 2. Check how much is it? 1/2.
3 by 2.
Okay. 3 minus 1 by 2. 3 minus 1 by 2, 3, 6 minus 1, 5 by 2, I guess. Check. 1 plus 2, 3 minus 1 by 2, 6 minus 1, 5 by 2, right? So 5 by 4, is it? A naught?
Yes.
Right. So your A naught is 5 by 4. You can check. Chalo, start solving AN. AN is equal to 2 by L. L is 2, right? 0 to 2. F of x into cos n pi x by 2 dx. But 0 to 2 again breaks at 0 to 1, 1 to 2. In 0 to 1, the function is 1 into cos. And in 1 to 2, it is x. So x into cos. Okay. So this integration is a simple one. Integration cos only. It is here multiplication of 2. So here we can use
Leibniz rule.
Leibniz. This is u, this is v, and this is just the integration of cos. What is integration of cos?
Sine.
Right. Sine. Angle n pi x by 2 upon
N pi by 2.
n pi by 2. Yes, this first one is done. This is from 0 to 1. Second, we'll go with Leibniz. U, V1, integration of cos, sine, n pi x by 2 upon n pi by 2. U V1 minus U dash 1 into next integration of sine minus cos, right, n pi x by 2 upon what?
N square pi square by 4.
Right, n square pi square by 2 square, that is 4. Is it over? Yes. And this is from 1 to 2. Okay, so both the integrations are done. Now just the upper lower limits. Here 2 goes up. Is it?
Yes.
A
Yes.
upon B upon C, that C goes up. So it is 2 upon n pi here. Now, x, upper limit is 1. So it is sine n pi by 2. I told you whenever it is n into pi by 2, you cannot generalize the value. Can you?
No.
No. So it depends on the value of n if it is pi by 2. So in case of pi's, we can generalize, but not in case of pi by 2. Okay, upper limit is done. Minus lower limit x is 0. So it is sine 0. That is 0. So no need to write. Chalo, good. This is done. Plus, here, if the upper limit is 2, what will happen here?
Sin n pi.
Right, sine 2 to get cancelled. Sine n pi is
0.
0. So 0 into anything, this term is 0. Minus minus plus, this 4 goes up, 4 upon n square pi square. If it is 2 here, what it will be?
Cos n
Cos n pi. Correct. Upper limit done. Now minus here the lower limit 1. Okay, if if x is 1, what will happen here?
Sin
Sin
n pi.
n pi by 2. Right, we have to write it. So again 2 goes up, 2 by n pi. X is 1. So into 1 into sine n pi by 2. Okay. This is done. Minus 1 here. Minus minus is already plus here. X is 1. 4 goes up. 4 upon n square pi square into cos n pi by 2. Is this correct? Upper limit, lower limits, all have written. So chalo, write the values. I guess here it is 2 by sine and here minus 2 by sine. This is the same term, plus minus, this will get removed, right? This is plus minus minus and this is plus. This is also 0. This is removed. It is there. Just open it and see. It is 2 by n pi sine n pi by 2 plus 4 by n square pi square. This is 0. This is there. 4 by n square pi square cos n pi. What is cos n pi? Minus 1 raised to n. Correct. And next there is the same term with negative. So minus 2 by n pi sine n pi by 2. Right? Minus of this. So plus minus minus plus plus. So 4 upon n square pi square into cos n pi by 2. Okay, so here obviously these two get cancelled and therefore an is there anything common in these two terms? Yes, 4 upon right n square pi square. Take it out. Here it is minus 1 raised to n and here it is cos n pi by 2. You know you cannot write the particular value, so let it as it is, cos n pi by 2. Is it plus or minus? Can you just check once? What is the sign here? Plus or minus?
Minus sign is
Here it is minus plus is minus and minus plus is again minus. So the sign is minus, I guess. Sorry. So here it is minus. Okay. So done. This is your an. And put it in equation number 1 then. You'll get your answer. F of x is equal to break zale f of x live a naught. What was a naught?
5 upon 4.
Right. 5 by 4 plus summation. This is called the constant term. Okay. So in tomorrow's test, if there is somewhere asked find the constant term in the Fourier series, so it means A naught only. Summation 4 upon n square pi square into minus 1 raised to n minus cos n pi by 2. Here it is, an into what? This is summation an into what?
X
Cos
n pi square.
n pi x by L is 2 is the required half range Fourier cosine series. Sure. Next, write the homework. First, find half range cosine series for f of x is equal to 1 minus 1, 1 in 0 to a by 2, and it is in a by 2 to a. What is L here in this case?
A by 2.
L is A or A by 2?
A.
Right, it is a half range, right? So if it is Fourier series, then correct, A by 2. But if it is half range, it is A, 0 to L. You will compare it with 0 to L. So find half range sine series for f of x is equal to x 2 minus x, x in 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. What is L here?
2.
2.
Right, so 0 to L, L is 2. Next question, find half range Fourier cosine series for f of x is x minus x square in 0 to 1. What is L?
1.
1, 0 to L, right? Half range, so L is 1. Okay, next, expand. F of x is equal to kx. You can write various problems. 0 to L by 2, 0 in L by 2 to L into half range cosine series. There is one deduction for the second question. Can I write that and hence deduce that for second? And hence deduce that 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus so on is equal to pi square by 8. Next question, find half range Fourier cosine series for f of x is equal to kx in 0 to L by 2 and k into L minus x in L by 2 to L. Okay. These are your homeworks on half range, and I guess we have written on full range also. दिलेले आहेत का होमवर्क का देऊ? I guess दिलेले आहेत. टाइमली तिथे होमवर्क्स तुम्हाला दिले, बघायचे, सॉल्व करायचे. Okay, so here it ends your unit number 2 Fourier series. So we'll take a quick recap. And after that, if recap लवकर संपला तर आपण एखादा एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करूयात. Okay, so all are here. So first we start with the Fourier series. Right. Fourier series. What is important in Fourier series? It should be periodic. Right. Few things you should remember. Its function must be periodic and it must satisfy
Dirichlet
right?
condition.
Dirichlet's conditions. And right, these two are very important things for the Fourier series. And whenever it is a Fourier series, there are two types of intervals. First is intervals having pi's, and second type is interval having right, interval having L, or you can say numbers, right? Numbers. So pi, if it is pi, there are three types we have seen. First type of interval in pi is
0 to 2 pi.
right. Before that, there is full range, half range. Okay, we'll see this. First is 0 to 2 pi, then it is
Minus pi to pi.
right, minus pi to pi, and third one is
0 to pi.
right. These two are called
Full range.
full range or just the Fourier series, and this one is called
Half
half
range.
range, right? So half range Fourier series. Okay, same here. Interval is having L. Again, there are three types we have seen. First is
0 to 2L.
0 to 2L,
Minus L to
L
L.
to L, and third one 0 to L. Once again, these two are full range, and this one is half range, right? So in full range, 0 to 2 pi, minus pi to pi, and whenever it is 0 to 2 pi, do we check for even odd?
No.
No. In minus pi to pi, we
We need
first
to check.
right? Check for even, odd, or neither even nor odd. Not here and not here, only for this, and same here, we have to check for even, odd, neither even nor odd. Okay, in 0 to 2 pi, chalo, we'll take it forward. So first is 0 to 2 pi. And for these all three types, first pi, what is the period?
2. 2 pi.
Period is always 2 pi for this. And what is period for this? L.
2L.
Period is always 2L for all of three, and here for all of three it is 2 pi. Please remember, for MCQ it is important. Okay, so we go with the first 0 to 2 pi. In 0 to 2 pi, the Fourier series is having all the things, right? A naught, an, and bn. An cos nx plus bn sin nx, n is 1 to infinity. Whenever it is pi, interval is having pi. Here, the angle is nx. And if it is L, the angle is
N pi x upon L.
right, n pi x upon L. Remember, please remember. Okay, this is the only difference. And where? Now, whenever I'm writing pi, I'm writing nx. Where a naught is 1 upon
2 pi.
2 pi, 0 to 2 pi, f of x dx. An is 1 upon pi, and bn is 1 upon pi, 0 to 2 pi, f of x into sine nx dx. We find all this, we substitute in this, and that is the required Fourier series. Okay. Second interval, if it is minus pi to pi, there are three types. So check for even, odd, neither even nor odd in such types. So if it is even in minus pi to pi, what is 0?
Bn.
Bn is directly 0, right? So its Fourier series is only having a naught and an cos nx, where definitions get modifies, right? So a naught is 1 upon
Pi.
pi, 0 to
pi.
pi f of x dx, and an is
2 upon pi 0 to
2 by
pi.
pi 0 to pi f of x into cos nx dx. This is when your function is even. Second, in minus pi to pi, obviously, if f of x is odd in minus pi to pi, what is 0?
A naught and
A naught
Right. A naught, an, both are 0. And the Fourier series is
bn sin x.
right, only having bn sine nx. If it is pi, angle is nx. Where bn is
2 by pi 0
2
to
by
pi.
pi 0 to pi f of x into sine nx dx. Third, f of x is what?
neither
Neither.
even nor odd.
Right, neither even nor odd in minus pi to pi. So what is 0?
Nothing is zero.
Right.
Nothing is
So everything is there. A naught, an cos nx plus bn sine nx. N is 1 to infinity. What is a naught? 1
1
upon
2 pi.
2 pi. Integration minus pi to pi. An is
1 upon pi.
Pi
right,
minus
minus pi to pi f of x into cos nx
N
dx.
dx.
And bn is 1 upon pi minus pi to pi f of x into sine nx dx. Okay, so we have completed the two intervals, 0 to 2 pi minus pi to pi. In that even or neither even nor odd. We have checked, right? And we have written all the definitions. Now the third type. Third type is
half range Fourier
Half
series.
right.
range.
That is interval. First
0
we have seen 0 to 2 pi, then minus pi to pi, and then
0 to pi.
0 to pi, right? 0 to pi is called half range. And half range are of two types. Half range Fourier cosine series, right? And half range Fourier sine series. Cosine is cosine, name itself says cosine means a naught there and an there, and as an, a naught is also there. So an cos nx, n is 1 to infinity, where a naught is. Tell me a naught.
1 upon pi 0 to pi of x dx.
Right. Exactly similar to
Even function.
even function in minus pi to pi. An is 2 by pi 0 to
Zero.
pi f of x cos nx dx. Fourier series is all about this formulae and the integration. Integration repeats every time, the same functions, everything. Leibniz, just identify the definition properly. What is the given interval? Depend on that only. Chalo, say half range sine series is f of x is summation bn
bn sin nx.
sin nx, n is 1 to infinity, where bn is
2 by pi 0 to
2 by pi 0 to pi
0 to
f of x into
x
sin nx dx. Done. This is all about the first type. Which first type? The intervals having pi in them, where period is 2 pi, right? Next, exactly the same way second type comes. Here I'll write first. Pi intervals. Right? The second comes is
L intervals.
right. So the secondly it is L intervals or the length. Here, most important thing is finding L. Okay. So if it is full range, you will compare with 0 to 2L or minus L to L depending on the interval given. And if it is half range, you will compare with 0 to L.
0 to
So,
L.
right. There are three types once again. First is 0 to 2L. 0 to 2L. So f of x is having everything in the Fourier series, a naught, an, and bn. A naught plus an cos
n pi.
n pi x by L. What you remember here is angle bn sine n pi x by L. Right. Where Now, if you can see 0 to 2 pi, everything is same in 0 to 2L also, but pi is there L everywhere and nx is there n pi x by L angle. Okay, so you can tell me now, A naught is
1 upon L
2L, 0
0
to
to
2L,
12.
f of x dx. An is
1 by L
right, f of x into
cos
and factor
n pi x by L dx. Remember that. And Bn is
1
1
upon
by
L
L, right, 0 to L, f of x into sine
and
f
pi
by x by L dx. This is what if interval is 0 to 2L. The second interval is minus L to L. What we do first here?
check for
Right. Check f of x is even or neither even nor odd. Right. And if first type, if f of x is even in minus L to L, what is 0?
P
Bn is 0. Where f of x is
A
a
naught
naught plus summation an cos
n
what?
pi x L
Right, n pi x by L, where a naught is
1 upon L
1 upon 2L, na?
L 1 upon L
1 upon
on L
L modified, even or modified. So 1 upon L, 0 to L, right? F of x dx and an is
2 upon L
right 0 to L, f of x into cos n pi x by
upon L.
L dx. Correct. Done. Second type comes is odd. Odd in minus L to L. What is 0?
A naught and
and
A naught an is 0 and therefore Fourier series is summation
Bn sin n
Bn
x by
sin n pi x by L. N is 1 to infinity, where Bn is
2 pi L
right 0 to L f of x into
sin
sin n pi x by L dx. Exactly similar like odd in minus pi to pi, but pi is L now and the angle is n pi x by L. Third, what is third?
f of x is neither even nor
Right, neither even nor odd in minus L to L. So Fourier series is a naught summation an cos n pi x by L plus bn sin n pi x by L, n is 1 to infinity, where a naught is 1 upon
2L
2L integration
minus
right minus L to L f of x dx. An is 1 upon L minus L to L
minus
f of x into
cos n pi x by L
right cos n pi x by L dx. Bn is 1 upon L minus L to L f of x into sine n pi x by L dx. I am writing it again and again and again. And I expect you to remember this. That's why I'm writing, okay? This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I guess one more will come, 8. There's 8 pages you will have in your mobile or in your mind first thing. And then PDF I'm sharing every day. So this PDF should be with you. Try to remember. Okay, 2 intervals are done. What is the next interval? Third?
0 to L
Right,
0 to
0 to L means it is half range.
range.
Right, and half range are of 2 types. First is half range Fourier
Cosine
cosine. What is that? A naught plus summation an cos. Cosine means there should be cos. And cos is with an, so an comes then a naught also. Right, where a naught is
1 by L.
L
Right, 1 by L,
0 to L
0 to L, f of x dx. And an is 2
2
by
by
L, 0 to
0.
L, f of x into cos n pi x by L dx. हाफ रेंज आणि मायनस एल टू एल मध्ये फरक काय आहे की हाफ रेंज मध्ये तुम्हाला फंक्शन चेक नाही करायचं इव्हन आहे का ऑड आहे. डिरेक्टली कोसाइन विचारली तर कोसाइन काढायची, साइन विचारली तर साइन काढायची. पण इन मायनस एल टू एल हे डेफिनेशन जरी सेम असतील तरी आपल्याला तिकडे चेक करून ठरवायचंय की आपल्याला काय करायचंय, काय झिरो होणार आहे. अँड द सेकंड इज हाफ रेंज फुरियर साइन सिरीज. f of x is summation bn
B1.
sin n pi x by L. N is 1 to infinity, where bn is
2 by L 0 to L
2 by L, 0 to L, f of x into sin n pi x by L dx. मी जर कुठे चुकून काही लिहिलं असेल तर सांगा, because you will refer this and that should be correct. Just check once. If by mistake I have written something, please tell me. I guess it is correct. You can check once. Okay. Correct. Yes. Yes. Right. Right. Okay, sure, done. So this is your whole unit, and whole unit is all about the formulae and the solution. So if you know the formula very well, you can solve. आणि यात लक्षात ठेवायचं म्हणजे काहीच नाहीये बघा, एवढंच आहे. दोन टाइप्स, पाय टाइप, एल टाइप. पाय असेल तर अँगल एन एक्स आणि एल असेल तर अँगल एन पाय एक्स बाय एल. इन बोथ द केसेस, here it is 2 pi period, here it is 2l period. आणि तीन टाइप प्रत्येकाचे, ब्रॉड तीन टाइप, एक 0 to 2 pi, then minus pi to pi, then 0 to pi. पहिले दोन full range, this one is half range. Same here, 0 to 2l, minus l to l, 0 to l. First two are full range, then it is half range. 0 to l is the half range. Okay. In 0 to 2 pi, no need to check. Here only we check even odd in second. And this is half range. So there are two types. I'll write it here only. Just half range are of two types. Half range Fourier cosine series and half range Fourier sine series. Same here. For this, half range Fourier cosine series and half range Fourier sine series. These are the two types in 0 to pi and 0 to l. Okay. And yes, we check even odd and we know the definitions next. This is only is the Fourier series. Now, is there anything you want to ask related? You can go ahead and ask. Okay, so review is done. We'll see some question. Which question you want me to solve in this homework, you can ask. Or is there any question previously you couldn't solve? Please ask. We'll solve it here.
Ma'am, we want answers of yesterday's tutorial to verify.
Okay, chalo. So we'll discuss those answers. Chalo, we'll open the tutorial. We'll see the questions. Give me 1 minute. Okay, so first question, we'll discuss it here. It was 9 minus x square. F of x is 9 minus x square in minus 3 to 3. And there is something show that. So have you checked for even odd here?
Yes.
Yes, you should, because this is of the type.
Even.
No, no,
Minus.
interval is of the type.
Minus
Minus
LTN.
Right.
Minus L.
Pi is not there. There is L. So L is here
3.
3. Right. You first find that. Then we check because this is this type. So you check for even odd. So you write f x as minus x in that. Do this. So minus of x square is again plus x square. So it is f of
Even.
x. Right. So
Even.
this is even function. Right. And even Bn is 0. Okay. So Bn is 0. We have to only find a naught an. A naught is 1 upon L. L is 3. 0 to L. L is 3.
Three.
Right. F of x 9 minus x square dx. So it is 1 by 3. 9x minus x cubed by 3 from 0 to 3. It is 1 by 3. 27. 27 minus 27. No.
27 minus 9.
27 minus
27
9.
minus 9. No? 18.
Yes.
18 minus lower limit 0. So this is 0. So 18 by 3, it is 6.
Yes.
Check. A naught is
Yes, ma'am.
6. If you have
Yes.
solved, A naught is 6. Now, AN. Is it 2 by L, 2 by 3, 0 to 3, f of x into cos
Cos n
n
pi x
pi
by
x by 3. Okay, you can do this by Leibniz,
Leibniz rule.
right? So 9 minus x square into integration of cos is,
Sin n pi x by 3 upon n pi by 3.
right, n pi by 3 minus derivative. What is the derivative?
Minus 2x.
Right,
Minus 2x.
right, minus of 2x into minus of cos n square pi square by 9 plus minus 2 minus sine n cube by 27.
27.
This is from 0 to 3. Okay, upper limit, if it is 3, 3 square is 9, 0. If it is 3 cos n pi, it will be there 3 minus 3 into 2, 6 cos n pi upon n square pi square by 9. Check, huh? If it is
Yes.
3 sin n pi, 0. Okay, minus lower limit, if it is 0, 0. If it is 0, 0 into anything 0, this is also 0. So everything is 0. So it is 2 by 3 into 9 goes up minus 9 into 6 into minus 1 raised to n upon n square pi square. 3, 3. So is it minus 36 minus 1 raised to n upon n square pi? Check once.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. So an is this, a naught is this. Just substitute, you will get your answer. We can do that, right?
Yes.
डिडक्शन्स मिळाले मग डिडक्शन पण
Yes,
मिळेल
Yes,
ओके
ma'am.
त्याला काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही येणार हे आलं की डिडक्शन एक्स ला काय ठेवल्यावर डिडक्शन येईल
0.
राइट सो पुट एक्स इज 0 in the Fourier series you will get the deduction okay is there any doubt somewhere in the question other questions a fourth is exactly similar once again it was 9 minus x square and fourth is again 4 minus x square no that is not half range but what is that
Full range.
so 4 minus x square it is, and it is Fourier series. There is no such half word or half range word. So it is in 0 to 2 means you will compare it with what?
0 to 2L.
0 to 2L, right? So 2L is 2 means L is what?
1.
1.
One.
For the last question, L is 1. Okay. And as it is 0 to 2L, the previous original definitions you are going to use 0 to 2L wale. Correct?
Yes.
Right. Okay. So do that. If you are done, what is A naught for the fourth one?
8 upon
8
3.
by 3.
8 by?
3.
8 by
Okay.
3.
Everyone can check. Okay, your answers. AN is
Minus
4 upon n
pi
square.
square.
N pi.
N square pi square.
N square pi square. And BN is
4
4
upon
by
n.
pi.
N pi.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So everyone is agree. Means this is the correct. You can just substitute there. Okay, we'll discuss second also. F of x is 1 and 0. 1 in 0 to 0.5 and 0.5 to 1. What is asked? It is the half range cosine. half range Fourier cosine series is asked. So you will compare the given interval is 0 to 1 with what?
0 to
Right, 0 to L. So what is L here?
1.
1. So you will first find that. What does A naught?
0.5.
0.5.
So if you all are agreeing on this, then it is correct. AN is
2
upon
n pi into
Hmm?
sin n pi by 2 n upon n pi.
n pi by 2 upon what?
Nothing.
This is correct, right? This one is A. Check if you are getting the similar and not getting, please try. And third one also. F of x is x in 0 to 2. Okay, and it is find half range, cosine half range. So you will compare 0 to 2 with,
0 to
right? So L is
2.
2. And it is a cosine, you need A naught and AN. What was A naught if you find?
1.
1. Okay, and AN is
4 upon n square pi square
Square pi square into minus 1 raised to n minus 1.
n minus 1.
check. Is this correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you are correct. Done. All the questions are solved. Perfect. आणि ज्यांनी सॉल्व केलेले नाहीये पुन्हा एकदा सांगते, ट्युटोरियल्स हे तुम्हाला टर्मवर्कच्या मार्क्ससाठी आहेत. मी आणखीही लिंक बंद केलेली नाही पहिल्या ट्युटोरियल पासून. थोडंसं माझं कन्सिडरेशन चालू आहे, पण मी जास्त कन्सिडर नाही करणार आहे. आता मी एक 4 दिवसात पहिले 2 ट्युटोरियलची लिंक बंद करून टाकल. तिसरं ट्युटोरियल मी काल दिलंय. ठीक आहे. सो ट्युटोरियल्स आल्याशिवाय आपण टर्मवर्कचे मार्क्स कन्सिडर करत नाही. मग जितकं तुम्हाला करता येईल तेवढं तुम्ही करावं. फोर्स मला आवडत नाही, तुम्ही स्वतःहून करावं. ठीक आहे. तर लवकरात लवकर ते ट्युटोरियल सबमिट करून टाका. कसे करायचे माहिती आहे, तिथे लिंक आहे प्रत्येक वेळी दिलेली. तिथे ट्युटोरियलचे क्वेश्चन्स आहेत. सॉल्व ऑन अ पेज, नॉट अ सिंगल पेज. सॉल्व ऑन द पेजेस and make a PDF and upload it there. Okay, is there any other doubts? You have tried and you couldn't solve. Is there something? Please wait. I'm taking your attendance. No one will leave. Don't put it in chat box. No need. Chat box la lihu naka konis. Okay, done. Done from my side. तुम्हाला काही डाउट्स जर नसतील तर मग बंद करूया.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Bye then. And yes, one more thing. उद्या टेस्ट राहील. मे बी उद्या किंवा मग मी उद्या युनिट नंबर 3 स्टार्ट करेल आणि परवा वगैरे टेस्ट राहील. ठीक आहे. Depends on the condition. So if tomorrow I'll take the lecture and day after tomorrow there will be test. But in 1 or 2 days you will face a test on Fourier series.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo, bye. Bye.